So, you want to buy a folding phone but have no idea what to choose or what is best for you? Worry not, we have compiled a list of best folding phones you can buy in 2023. Let's jump right in. First off, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. This flagship foldable features a 6.2-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz cover screen and a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 120Hz main screen, which gives you a smooth user experience. And binge watching your favorite shows in this screen makes it a lot better. It's powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, and offers up to 1 TB of storage. With power like this, you can expect the phone to handle any kind of tasks you throw at it. It will do it without breaking a sweat. The Z Fold 4's multitasking capabilities shine with its ability to split the screen into 4 apps at once. It also impresses with its 50-megapixel main camera and 8K video recording. Next, we have Google's entry into the foldable market, the Google Pixel Fold. With a 5.8-inch OLED cover display and a 7.6-inch inner OLED display, both offering a 120Hz refresh rate, the Pixel Fold delivers a clean, stock Android experience. Who doesn't like stock Android, right? Powered by the Tensor G2 chip and 12 gigs of RAM, it excels in performance. The Pixel Fold also impresses with its powerful AI and computational photography, delivering stunning photos. It features a 4821 mAh battery and supports 30-watt wired charging. This phone is gonna last all day. Next up, we have the Motorola Razr Plus. If you're looking for a compact flip phone, the Motorola Razr Plus is a top contender. It features a solid hinge, a 3.6-inch POLED cover display, and a 6-inch POLED inner display. For those who don't know, POLED is a trademark that LG Display uses to brand its plastic OLED displays. The Razr Plus's cover screen is highly usable, allowing you to run any Android app without opening the phone. It comes with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and offers good performance. The camera quality is decent and the battery lasts around 1 full day with 30-watt wired charging. Lastly, we have the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. With its cute clamshell design, the Z Flip 4 features a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display and a 1.9-inch Super AMOLED cover screen. It comes with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chip, 8 gigs of RAM, and a 3700 mAh battery with 25 watts wired charging. The Z Flip 4 also offers improved camera capabilities with a 65% brighter sensor for better low-light photography. Taking pictures at parties have never been better. So there you have it, the best folding phones of 2023. Comment down below what phone do you think is the best and why.